Well, hello there, over 50 friends. Mark Tennant back with you with your AI tip of the week. This week, creating your own AI thought partner. I've always said, just talk to the AI, right? I've always said that. But this week, we're really going to talk to the AI. These large language models, that's what they're called, that power these AI platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. They are so advanced these days. As a matter of fact, on Tuesday, November the 18th, Google released Gemini 3, its most advanced AI model, and it is something. But not to be outdone, on the same day, OpenAI, ChatGPT, they released GPT 5.1. Both models very capable. But why does this matter to you? Well, because now is that time to jump in and work with these advanced models. Because they are so intelligent, they're very, very smart. However, you have to learn how best to talk to the AI, and that's what we're going to do here this week. So let's look at the proper framework to create your AI thought partner. So first of all, it's going to start with goals. It's going to start with you. It's all about you. Who do you want your AI partner to be? What do you want it to do for you? Business coach, health coach, life coach? What kind of coach? Just anything. So once you've established that, set your goal. A bad goal would be help me be happier. But a better goal might be give me 5 actionable steps to help me feel more connected to, in this case, my family. Just an example. Focus on measurable outcomes. Focus on things that matter. Identify 3 options. Create a 7-day plan. Draft a 2-paragraph summary. Something like that. So the prompt framework is going to be a role, a goal, and an action. So here's a couple of frameworks and a couple of examples we worked up. The first one is creating a life coach for clarity. Now, this might be the point in the tip of the week where you want to stop the video. You want to go ahead and take a screen grab of this prompt and the next one I'll show you here in a minute. And then you want to have the AI translate it for you. And then that way you have the text to it and you can adjust it any way you'd like. So in this case, it's creating a life coach for clarity. So here's the prompt. I'm over 50 and feel ready to start over in my personal life. I need a specialized AI thought partner. Your role? You are my clarity life coach. Your primary function is to help me define a clear, fulfilling vision for the next chapter of my life. Your goal? You must help me move past vague ideas and identify 3 specific, measurable personal goals. Travel, learning a new skill, fitness, whatever. Your first action? Ask me 3 thoughtful, open-ended questions to better understand my values and what truly makes me feel energized. Not a bad prompt at all. And you can see that you've got the goal, you've got the role, and you've got the action to take on that. So let's look at this one. In this scenario, create a business coach for a new consulting business. Once again, stop the video here, take a screen grab of the prompt, feed it to the AI, and have it spit out the text for you. So the prompt here is your role. You are my experienced business and profit consultant. You specialize in helping professionals over 50 transition their corporate expertise into a highly profitable, low overhead consulting business. My background, and then you can give context in it. In this case, I have 30 years of experience in human resources, specializing in leadership development and conflict resolution. I want to start a part-time consulting service using this expertise. And your goal, you must help me define my niche and identify 3 specific high-value services I can offer to small and medium-sized businesses. Your first action, ask me 3 market-focused questions that will help you narrow down my target client and geographic service area. So we run that prompt, and then, of course, the salutation at the top. Hey, that's exciting. Transitioning 30 years of HR expertise into a profitable consulting business is very good, blah, blah, blah. But here are the market-focused, niche-defining questions. Number 1, what specific business challenge related to leadership development or conflict resolution are you most passionate about solving? And it gives you some examples. Number 2, thinking about your past corporate work, which industry or what client size band would you like to have? Answer that question. And then given this is a part-time, low overhead model, what is the maximum distance or travel time you would consider? So answer these questions and your coach will start helping you, and then you can just go back and forth. So to wrap up, remember these new large language models like Gemini 3 and GPT 5.1, they are extremely intelligent and capable. Now is the time to jump in and start working with these advanced models. Create that coach, create that life coach, create that business coach for yourself. Remember to find the who, and the what, and then the prompting framework with that and the proper action it should take. So it's your turn. Pick one specific area where you need help, business, health, life, whatever, and assign the AI that specific role. Define your goal, write down exactly what you want the AI to do, a plan, a list, or an analysis, and then write that prompt. Combine the role, the goal into a single prompt and see what your new AI thought partner suggests. And I want to know what you come up with. Let me know, mark@marktennant.net. I read all of my email, and I would love to hear what you come up with. And then let's connect on the socials. LinkedIn is the best place for me. I am at Mark E. Tennant. So until next time, keep prompting, create that thought partner, work with these models, and we'll talk to you soon.